it only takes time until our native, natural habitats along our shores are gone, along with the animals that have been living here for centuries. Why? Because of our industrial impact. The Chilliwack Nature Center is an animal sanctuary exhibiting plants and animals native to San Diego's wetlands and shorelines. Many of our native wildlife either have been invaded by us building in their environment or by the drainage pollution that empties from our sewages and rivers into our coastlines, therefore contaminating our ocean water. Another major source of pollution comes from the use of vehicles. Vehicles produce lots of fumes, chemicals, and oils that are then released onto our streets. These oils and chemicals are then washed up by water when it rains. This is called urban runoff. This will eventually reach our sewage drains and be directed to empty in our ocean. The Nature Center staff are here to educate the community on the sources of pollution that we might be contributing.
Litter, because even though you live a long way from the ocean or the marsh, it all flows downstream. So if you see a paper bag on the street or a plastic bag that's blowing around, if it doesn't get picked up, it will end up in the ocean or in the marsh, because that's where the rivers flow to and then they slow down. Specifically, one of the things that causes big problems is the plastic bags, grocery bags. Those get into the watershed and they get into the bay, and the Pacific green sea turtles, which are vegetarian, see those and think they're pieces of vegetation. They'll take a bite out of them, which will then block their intestinal tract and they will die. So any piece of litter has a potential negative impact on wildlife.
Every day you will come by pieces of litter on the street. Whether it's a cup or a wrapper, it is still contributing harm towards our ocean animals. Just by picking up after ourselves, we will be helping prolong these animals' lives.